going through the 7 principles of universal design. The first being equitable use. So this is about designing a space so that it can be accessed by people in the exact same way. And so examples of this are automatic doors or having automatic sinks. The second is flexibility in use. So this is all about designing a product or a space so that it can accommodate to different abilities or uses. So for example, having adjustable stand-up desks or having adjustable chairs. Number 3 is simple and intuitive use. So this is about designing a space or a product so that it is easy enough for anyone, regardless of what their concentration level is, or having to reach for any kind of instruction manual. They're able to understand what that is and be able to use it. So for example, having universal symbols for walking or stopping at crosswalks, or the colors red and green for stop and go. Number 4 is perceptible information. And this is all about making sure that someone is able to perceive and understand what you're trying to communicate to them in an effective way. And so one key example of this is having captions in your videos, and also having those textured warning strips. You may have seen them at different train station platforms, and those kind of serve as a warning for people not to cross over that line and to make sure that it's a safe space for you. Okay, number 5, tolerance for error. So this is about designing something so that it minimizes any harm or unintended actions that a person might do. And so examples of this is having the undo function on different program softwares so that if you accidentally copy and paste something, then you have the ability to undo it. Number 6 is low physical effort. And so this is about making a design easy enough to use so that it minimizes any fatigue. And so examples of this are having ramps and entryways, and then also having elevators with buttons at multiple different heights. And the last one is number 7, size and space for approach and use. And this is all about having an environment where people can comfortably move throughout it, regardless of what their body size is or whether or not they are using some sort of assistive device. And so examples of this are having multi-level service desks, and also ensuring that in your workplaces and entryways or hallways, they're all obstacle-free.